up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see what is Dynamic 365 and how this Microsoft product is helping so many streamlined businesses and small and even bigger businesses managing the CRM. So let's get to the video.
Dynamic 365 is a combination of CRM and ERP. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management and ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It has automated intelligent sales capabilities. It is unified, intelligent and adaptable. So Dynamic 365 has two parts. One is ERP, the other one is CRM. In ERP, you have Dynamic 365 Business Central, which is based on Navision, and then you have Dynamic 365 Finance and Operations, which is based on AX. And in CRM, you have Dynamic 365 Sales, Enterprises and Sales Professional. Sales Professional was introduced in April 2018. Then you have Dynamic 365 Customer Service. Then you have Dynamic 365 Field Service, Dynamic 365 Project Service Automation, and then finally Dynamic 365 Marketing. Microsoft Dynamic 365 allows you to find potential customers and track the existing ones. It automates your tasks and manage your operations. It provides great potential to streamline businesses and allow increasing agility for companies and reducing costs. It provides this facility to view analytical data in form of charts, which makes it easier to understand and study the insights of sales and marketing better. It helps you to keep track of what marketing strategy you operate, how much you invested in it, and which marketing strategy did work for you. It is adaptable as you don't have to build the application from scratch. There are out of the box things and you can customize it according to requirements. Big companies like PepsiCo use CRM to determine profitable customers, to uncover potential sales opportunities, to improve customer interactions and relations, and provide the enterprise with up-to-date customer information. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.